Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove a background of any kind of image in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app and we need to open it. So as you can see, I have clicked on it. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, the Adobe Express app is open. Now simply we have to click on this option, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the option for the remove background. So we have to click on the remove background, and after clicking on the remove background, we need to choose the image, that which image we want to use. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, here's the option for the add image. So we have to click on the add image, and then simply we have to go to the photos section, and after going to the photo section, I'm going to choose the photo, that which photo I'm going to use. So let's click on the all section. For example, I'm going to choose this image. So as you can see, I've chosen it. Now simply it will take few seconds in removing the background. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the image background is removed, and as you can see, the background is removed clearly. Now if you want to customize this, you can also do that. You have to click on the customize, and you will be redirected to the editing mode. Or if you want to save this image from here directly, you have to click on the save, and the image will be saved in your phone. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can remove the background of any image in Adobe Express app. So see you guys in the next video.